Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. My name is Ashish. Today I'm here in Church Street in Bangalore, and this is well-known place in Bangalore because this is a street known for its shopping and for visiting and exploring the night out at Bangalore, because here you can reduce your stress and you can enjoy with your partner, with your loved ones. And now I'm gonna show you how people are gonna enjoy here, and they are living their best life. This is very famous. You can see the bro. Right now the time is 9 o'clock. People are enjoying. You can see the view is very beautiful. That is gonna capture in my camera. Here you can see some ladies, they are just selling flowers, because this place is known for couples, so that's why they all know that couple will come and they will gonna take or buy flowers from them, so that's why they are selling flowers. And you can see the fruit shop, and mostly in this place people are here for clubbing and for pub, so that's why it from 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, I can say. Here you can see the huge crowd. And I'm gonna tell you, on Saturday and Sunday, especially on weekends, you can't you can't place your foot here, because people are huge here on Saturday and Sunday. So you can see this is the luxurious place in Bangalore. Just look at the beauty and the night out, guys, like lightings or everything. In front of me you can see this is maybe club or maybe cafe. So inside people are enjoying, they are spending their time with their favorite one. Here you can see people are sitting. Just look at this street. This is not a street, this is, we can say, such a beautiful place. Just see the beauty, guys. I'm the new on YouTube, so that's why I don't know what to speak and what to know, but I'm doing my best. And this is also club or maybe cafe. People are enjoying here. Here you can see the little kid who is it's very beautiful, like he's very beautiful, and he's selling the beautiful books. We used to buy this book in our childhood in this school. You can see it's literally very beautiful. But here you can see there are very so here you can see there are many vendors. They are selling their items, or especially we can say for girls or boys. So this is a street only for visiting purpose, so that's why we see everywhere like the attractive place where you can see the vendors, they are gonna sell their items for people. And guys, I want to tell you, one of the vendor who called me and who told you are making videos and you are saying vendors are not should be here. So I told her that I don't have any problem. This is my first time at Church Street, so I'm exploring this place. So I don't have problem with you. And she was understanding that that boy he was having problem with the vendors, so that's why she's watching towards me in a bad way. So I told her in a good manner that I'm not here to judge you like the vendors, why you are here or everything. You can see the beauty of Church Street. Or this side you can see the beautiful club. You know, this is only for VIPs. I can understand that people are coming here and going, and they are enjoying their life. Like they are coming here for night out. So literally they are enjoying, and this is such a VIP area. If you have money in your pocket, then you can go such type of bars, or otherwise you can come here or you can visit. This is totally free. It's not that you have to pay here all of things. So guys, you can see such a beautiful place, and Bangalore, and right now I'm enjoying here. This is my first time, so I'm enjoying definitely. If you want to see all the changes in Bangalore, you can come in Church Street, or you can see all the students. They are at this time in night in Bangalore. They are enjoying their life. So So guys, right now you can see this is the T.8 Church Gate. Now you can see from here the beauty of street. Okay, let's go towards this side. You can see there are many shops, very attractive aesthetic shops. So at this place, at Church Street, you can see everything. Like people are buying everything here because this is a street, so this is local here. So here I can see every type of vendors. They are selling their items. Every type of like jhumkas, mobile cover, kurtis, sarees, teddy bear. There are many shops. Let me show you. There are different kind of shops, and every person are enjoying here. You can see continuously in one line there are many shops. All the vendors, they are selling something. Like this vendor selling bangles. You can see the beautiful mirror. This is selling sarees, maybe kurtis, or you can see the beauty of this street. Like this is very attractive. That's why people come here for enjoying purpose. But I think people are not gonna buy here because this is very expensive. You can see the mobile cover, jhumkas, everything here. People are enjoying here. I'm trying guys, but I literally realized that public speaking is not easy, because when you will speak, everyone is going to see towards you that what you are doing and why you are just doing. So it's not easy. So finally guys, you can see I have done with Church Street, and I have shown you everything whatever I just see in Church Street.
but still there are many places they are hide. I think I explored here first time, so maybe I was not able to see all the places in Church State. So maybe next time when I will come here with my colleague or with my favorite person, so maybe I will enjoy here. So definitely this was such a good journey for me and I enjoyed here. You can see the beauty of this place. Like, this is not Bangalore generation, I can say every state of people, every state of students, they are living in Bangalore because this is such a Silicon Valley. So that's why people are here for different purpose, or mainly students or many professional person, they are here for their job purpose. So that's why in Bangalore you can see everything, every kind of people here you can see. They are enjoying in different way, and here I'm enjoying. People are watching towards me. That people are not watching towards me because right now I have tripod. So they are watching my tripods. They are watching towards my tripod, and they are just judging me that this person is making vlogs. Maybe he might be capture me or their family members. So that's why they are bit insecure, maybe, I don't know, but literally I'm also bit insecure. That's why I'm not able to see you. You can see this bro. He's just saying hi to me, and literally I'm enjoying here. So I think I have done with this place.
Time made